Welcome to the Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Property Visual Tour. This is part of our complete listing marketing package for every listing. Construction has not started yet. Floor plan is a proposed floor plan and may be subject to change. Pictures and 3D tour are for demonstration purposes. Interior colors may vary. The Wisconsin floor plan built by Classic American Homes is a 2-story home with 5 bedrooms plus loft and 3 baths and 3-car garage, with 1 bedroom and bath downstairs. This home has beautiful granite countertops throughout the home. The beautiful kitchen is open to a large dining area and family room. The kitchen with large island, stainless steel appliances and beautiful tile backsplash. Home has ceramic tile flooring in all living areas, carpet on stairs and all bedrooms. A wonderful master bedroom with large walk-in closet.